case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 1971 Supreme Court case, James v. Valtierra, centered on the constitutionality of requiring referendums for low-rent public housing projects in California. This case was a reassessment of the Equal Protection Clause, one of the paramount principles of American democracy. According to Article XXXIV of the California Constitution, any low-rent housing project developed, constructed, or acquired by a state public body required approval by a majority vote in a community election. Several plaintiffs argued that this provision posed an infringement of the Supremacy Clause, Privileges and Immunities Clause, and notably, the Equal Protection Clause. In an initial court ruling, a district court sided with the plaintiffs, declaring that Article XXXIV denied them equal treatment under the law. Consequently, enforcement of the article was barred. The state of California, however, appealed this decision, bringing the case to the Supreme Court. Interestingly, the Supreme Court disagreed with the district court's prior ruling, thereby vindicating the constitutionality of Article 94. According to the Supreme Court, the common vote provision did not unjustly burden racial minorities, nor did it violate the Equal Protection Clause. It further underscored that a lawmaking decision that disadvantages a particular group does not necessarily breach equal protection. Asserting the inviolability of democratic decision-making processes, the Supreme Court overturned the lower court's ruling. Without evidence of Article XXXIV or intending to disadvantage a particular group, the court held that California's referendum requirement for low-rent public housing projects preserved the participatory nature of democracy and met constitutional requirements. This landmark decision was reached with one judge abstaining, underscoring the delicate balance courts must maintain between democratic principles and constitutional interpretation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class